This is Jake, and it's December, and next week is Christmas, so that means December 25th. Next week, so I don't know what date it is today. This is Jake's newest video. He happens to be 16 months old, and he still makes raspberry noises like, what? Blah, 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 blah. Okay, that wasn't a raspberry. He actually is learning a new noise, and he uses his tongue. Pika, 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 poo. See his tongue? See, he moves his tongue. Pika, 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 poo. Pika, 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 poo. I bet that show's dark, huh? Can you see that pika, pika, boo, boy? Say pika, 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 boo. Come on, roll up. Pop up. Show me pika, 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 boo. Say pika, 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 boo. Say pika, 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 boo. Blah, blah, blah. Blah, blah, blah. Blah, 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 blah. See? I think he's trying to learn how to talk. I think his first word was hi. Can you say hi? Say hi. Say hi. Oh, that's the macaw. Maybe he said hi. Say hi, Jake. Hi. Okay, he's learning to speak. He's not very consistent. Say blah, 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 blah. See, he makes toddler talk. Okay. So anyway, that's Jake. He's a good kid. And here's Daddy with Kaylee. Real life sleeping. Give me a kiss, Bobbers. Bobbers, thank you. Give me a kiss, Bobbers. Thank you. If you heard that, that was Bobbers, the blue crown conure. I say, give me a kiss, and he kisses. Give me a kiss. Thank you. Bye, Jake. Family video. Boring to everybody, but Jake will smile in 20 years when he sees this. Bye.